Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Welcome back to the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. Today, we have an incredibly insightful topic that combines technology, data science, and renewable energy. We're going to discuss the critical role of data-driven approaches in maximizing the efficiency of your solar panels, particularly if you're benefiting from a net metering system. You see, as the adage goes, what gets measured, gets managed. By collecting and interpreting data, you can fine-tune your solar panel operations to perform optimally through every season: spring, summer, fall, and winter. This approach not only helps you save on energy costs but also makes the most of net metering, where every kilowatt-hour counts. So, whether you're a homeowner looking to cut down on electricity bills or an avid renewable energy enthusiast aiming to get the most out of your investment, this episode is tailor-made for you. Let's dive in and uncover how you can use data to power up your solar savings. Data collection tools. Now, let's jump straight into the tools that can make this data-driven approach a reality. One of the most powerful assets you can have is a robust real-time monitoring system. And when we talk about real-time monitoring in the solar industry, Enphase is a name that frequently comes up. Enphase for real-time monitoring. Enphase offers a comprehensive suite of monitoring solutions that allow you to keep tabs on how much energy your solar panels are generating, their efficiency, and even the health of each panel. With Enphase, you get granular data that can be invaluable for making real-time adjustments, or for a longer-term analysis of your system's performance. Weather forecast apps. The next tool that goes hand in hand with monitoring systems like Enphase is a reliable weather forecast app. Why is this important? Solar panel efficiency can be greatly affected by weather conditions, and knowing what to expect can give you the upper hand. With a good weather forecast app, you can anticipate changes like cloud cover, temperature shifts, or even storms, allowing you to make predictive adjustments to your solar panel system. This way, you're not just reacting to changes, you're proactively optimizing your system based on forecast data. So, in a nutshell, tools like Enphase for real-time monitoring and weather forecast apps for predictive adjustments can be game changers in your journey to maximize solar panel efficiency and savings, especially when net metering is involved. Data interpretation in spring. Spring is a season of renewal, but it also comes with its unique set of challenges for solar panel owners. Today, let's talk about how you can use data to tackle two major springtime issues: pollen and dust accumulation, as well as optimizing the angle of your solar panels. Using data to optimize auto-cleaning systems for pollen and dust. Spring is notorious for pollen and dust, which can create a layer on your solar panels, reducing their efficiency. One way to combat this is to use an auto-cleaning system. Now, how can data help? Well, you can schedule the auto-cleaning based on air quality data and historical trends of pollen and dust levels in your area. This way, you clean the panels precisely when needed, not too often to waste resources and not too rarely to compromise efficiency. You can use tools like Enphase to monitor the performance of your panels before and after the cleaning, ensuring the cleaning is effective and timely. How to use dynamic angle data for spring efficiency. Spring also brings more consistent daylight, but the sun's angle can still vary quite a bit. Using data to dynamically adjust the angle of your panels can make a significant difference in energy capture. You can collect data on the optimal angle for maximum output by using real-time monitoring tools, and then use automated or manual adjustments to change the panel's angle according to the data. Even small adjustments can result in measurable efficiency gains, making the most out of the season's sun. So there you have it. Using data-driven approaches can make your solar panels much more efficient in the spring, ensuring that you're saving more while making the most of your net metering benefits. Data interpretation in summer. As the temperatures soar, summer presents its own set of challenges and opportunities for solar panel owners. Today, let's dig into how you can leverage data to address two key aspects: overheating and sunlight tracking. Using cooling systems based on overheating data. Summer is great for solar energy generation, but too much heat can actually reduce your panel's efficiency. This is known as the temperature coefficient issue. To mitigate this, some owners opt for cooling systems. So, how does data come into play? By using monitoring tools like Enphase, you can collect real-time data on the temperature of your panels. When they reach a threshold where efficiency is compromised, the cooling system can automatically kick in. This ensures you're cooling only when necessary, thereby saving energy and maximizing overall efficiency. Tracking sunlight data and implementing solar trackers. Another incredible way to maximize your solar energy output during the sunny season is by implementing solar trackers. But, you don't want to implement them blindly. Use data to make informed decisions. Collect data on the movement of the sun across the sky specific to your location. You can then program your solar trackers to follow this optimal path, ensuring that your panels catch as many rays as possible throughout the day. The result? More energy generated, which can be especially beneficial for net metering, where every extra kilowatt-hour could mean more savings or even earnings. So, that's how you can use data to navigate the highs and lows of the summer season and ensure your solar panels are working at their absolute best. Leveraging data for leaf removal. As leaves start to fall and the weather gets cooler, autumn presents its own unique challenges for solar panel efficiency. Let's delve into how data can help us overcome them, focusing on leaf removal and annual inspections. Leveraging data for leaf removal. Fall is beautiful, but those falling leaves can become a nightmare for solar panel owners. They can obstruct the panels, reducing their efficiency. However, random cleaning might not be the most efficient approach. This is where data comes in. By using monitoring systems like Enphase, you can observe the actual impact of leaf accumulation on your panels. By analyzing this data, you can optimize the timing and frequency of leaf removal, ensuring you're cleaning the panels precisely when it has the most benefit. When and why to perform data-driven annual inspections. Fall is often considered the best time for annual inspections because it's right before the harsh winter conditions set in. But why rely on tradition when you can use data? Monitor performance metrics throughout the year to pinpoint any declines in efficiency or recurring issues. This can help you make the most out of your annual inspection by focusing on areas that the data has highlighted as problematic. The goal is to enter winter with a system that's at peak performance, to maximize your returns through net metering. So there you have it. Whether it's smartly dealing with leaf obstructions or timing your annual inspections, data can be your best ally in maintaining peak performance during the fall season. As winter rolls in with its shorter days and colder temperatures, it's essential to adapt your solar panel strategy. In today's segment, we'll focus on how to leverage data for efficient snow removal and temperature management. Using snowfall data to optimize snow removal. While a white winter landscape is beautiful, snow accumulation on your solar panels can severely hinder their performance. You could manually remove the snow, but that's labor-intensive and not always efficient. So, what's the data-driven approach? By using snowfall prediction data from reliable weather apps, you can anticipate when snow will accumulate on your panels. Based on this data, you can optimize snow removal operations to clear the panels right before peak sunlight hours, ensuring maximum energy generation. Monitoring tools like Enphase can also help you assess the impact of snowfall on panel efficiency, letting you act accordingly. Analyzing temperature data for antifreeze coating and heating element use. Low temperatures can impact the physical characteristics of your solar panels. Antifreeze coatings and heating elements can be solutions, but they also consume energy. So, when should you use them? The answer lies in data. By monitoring real-time temperature data for your panels, you can activate these solutions only when temperatures reach a critical point where panel efficiency is compromised. This ensures you're using these solutions in the most energy-efficient manner, maximizing overall system performance and taking full advantage of net metering. So, as you can see, data interpretation can arm you with the tools you need to navigate the winter season effectively, keeping your solar panels in peak condition. Net metering through data. As we wrap up our seasonal guide, it's crucial to discuss one of the most compelling financial benefits of solar panel systems: net metering. Net metering allows you to send excess energy back to the grid, often in exchange for credits. Today, let's delve into how data can be your secret weapon in maximizing your net metering ROI. How to use data collection to maximize net metering ROI. The essence of net metering is the exchange of energy. You supply excess energy to the grid and get credited for it, but how do you maximize the energy you can supply? That's where your collected data comes in. By constantly monitoring your solar energy production and household consumption through tools like Enphase, you can identify patterns. Perhaps you generate the most excess energy in late spring or early fall. Use this data to ensure your system is at its peak efficiency during these periods, so you can send more energy back to the grid and earn more credits. Adjusting for peak hours based on seasonal data. Net metering often comes with variable rates, where energy supplied during peak hours might earn you more credits. However, peak hours can change seasonally. Data can help you navigate this complexity. Collect data on which hours are considered peak across different seasons and adjust your energy consumption behavior accordingly. For instance, if peak hours are in the evening during winter, consider using stored solar energy for your needs then, while supplying the grid during peak hours. This maximizes your credits and ultimately, your ROI. In a nutshell, data collection and interpretation can be the linchpin that turns your solar panel system from a good investment into a great one, especially when you're benefiting from net metering. As we've explored today, the power of data in optimizing your solar panel system cannot be overstated. From tackling seasonal challenges like pollen in spring, overheating in summer, leaf buildup in fall, and snowfall in winter, to maximizing your net metering ROI, a data-driven approach sets you on a course for peak performance and savings. We've examined some indispensable tools like Enphase for real-time monitoring and weather apps for predictive planning. Armed with these tools and a commitment to regular data analysis, you can transform your solar energy system from a passive installation to a dynamic, optimized powerhouse. Remember, the journey to a more sustainable and cost-effective energy solution is one that requires not just the right hardware but also smart, data-driven strategies. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive, and if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel for more insightful tips on making the most of your solar energy system. Until next time, keep shining, and keep saving. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.